After you've made your first video, now what?
Oh my God! Wow!
Be excited. You finished the first. Now it's like watching paint dry, waiting for it to take off, and then it goes nowhere. Ask yourself this question. Would you want to watch it again?
Oh God, please, no, no!
Review your video, review your own video. If you have any metrics, look at them, see when and how long people are watching. But most importantly, start on the next one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Think about how and what you want to do different from the first. What works, what doesn't, what you like, what you didn't like, and how you felt about it afterwards.
How, Sway?
Look, I'm in the same boat you're in. If you are starting your YouTube journey and you found my page, go in the comments, leave a link to your channel so I can go like and subscribe and watch you grow the same way we're going to grow together. Sure, go watch all the other YouTube videos out there that show you how to get 2,000 views and 5,000 subs in 2 minutes. And don't be disappointed when it doesn't happen to us or it doesn't happen to you.
Come on now, dog.
There's a process to get there.
Come on, man.
Listen, nothing worth having comes easy. I'm you, you're me. We're both watching Think Media. We're both watching vidIQ and all the other YouTube channels to help grow your audience and start your YouTube journey. YouTube isn't just a thing. It's actually a huge search engine owned by the biggest search engine in the world, named Google.
I own the place.
First things first, and let me say this, it's okay to change your niche. Figuring out what your niche is going to be ain't easy. If after doing a few videos, you notice you're getting more views in one area versus another, and it's something you like, go for it. Do more of what's helping you get attention and understand that people watch your content more and more because of two main things. One, what you're talking about.
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me!
And two, how you present it. People genuinely want to see you succeed if they like you.
I like you and I want you.
And authenticity wins out every time. Don't try too hard. Just be yourself.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
The most important advice that I can give you and any YouTube channel can give you is this: consistency. And I'll be honest, this is the biggest thing that I struggle with myself. You can engulf yourself, again, like all those great channels. I'll say it again, Think Media, vidIQ, and they'll give you a ridiculous amount of good information on how to be successful with your journey. But none of it is worth anything unless you, I'm talking to me, and you take action. Big YouTubers like Mr. Beast himself says, look, do 10 videos and then look at those 10 and do another 10 videos. The worst thing you can do is be stuck in analysis paralysis, trying to think about what your next move is going to make, when you're wasting time on getting the experience that you need. Everything that you do, the only way you get better at is with experience. And this is the same thing. I can go online and show you 20 different YouTube channels that just consistently just put video after video after video, and you see success after success after success. And the only difference between them, you, and me is the consistency part. They stuck with it and found pay dirt. Whatever that is for them, whatever that is for you.
Tell them to bring out the lobsters. Tell them to bring out the lobsters.
You got to make sure that you stay consistent and keep working at it. I don't know what to say next. I'm gonna tell this thing. If you like the shirt, randomartontees.com. That's all I gotta say. We're gonna cut it like that.